welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. I'm so excited to be coming at you guys today with this video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nick. I'm a couponer. On this channel, I love talking about saving money with coupons, getting the best grocery deals at a variety of stores each week. I also do some day in the life vlogging here and there, especially during like the holiday season, all that fun. So today is going to be a little bit of a different video, and there's actually going to be a total basement bedroom like setup, revamp, refresh, transformation, because this is truly a transformation. When you see what this room was before to what it is now, it is pretty unbelievable. I do want to start this out by saying, totally DIY'd this stuff. You don't need any crazy skills to be able to do this. I don't know how to do woodworking. I don't have any like carpentry skills or anything like that. This is total DIY, just using things we were able to pick up and make work for this room. And it's really amazing what a little bit can do to really make a room more functional and aesthetically pleasing. And that is exactly what has happened with this. So I'm really excited to share all of my tips and how we did it with you in this video. So I ended up moving my bedroom to this room in the basement when one of my family members who is disabled, he could no longer live on his own and he really needed more help, you know, round the clock help from family. And so he ended up moving into our house so that we could help take care of him. And so he needed to be on a level where there's no stairs. And so he ended up taking the bedroom upstairs, and then I ended up moving downstairs to the basement, which I'm actually really happy with. This room has a lot of space, a lot of flexibility that just a regular old bedroom might not have. But this room did not come with any bells and whistles. This has basically just been a multi-purpose room for years. It has served as multiple things in our house. It was a little kitchenette area for a while. It was a storage room for many times. It was a coupon stockpile room for a while. It was a like playroom. Me and my cousins, we used to come and play here when we were little. So, I mean, this room has been a lot of things over the years, and now it needed to be a bedroom space. But since it was in the basement, it was not equipped with that. It didn't come with a closet. It didn't come with anything fancy like that. So we just had to totally like make it work how we could. And I'm so excited how we did this. So I want to give special thanks to my mom and my grandpa. They both helped me out an absolute ton with making this room what it is today. I love it. And I'm so thankful that they were able to help me out with this, give ideas and help with the work. But guys, this is amazing. So I'm really excited to be sharing a total DIY, give you guys tips, give you a tour of the room, and also show you like some of the process as well. So let's do it. So here's what it looked like when we started on like the first full day of the renovation. Now we had bought some of the pieces the day before, getting ready to renovate it and stuff. But you know, this was how bad of a mess it was that day we like started full-fledged renovating. It was a hot mess, and it definitely, like, the layout and the flow of the room, it was not always nearly this messy, but the layout of the room just didn't work. So we knew we had to do something. So we ended up literally just moving everything out. Moved every single thing out of the room so we could start with a complete clean slate. So moved everything out. That was actually a really great opportunity to get rid of things I didn't need anymore. So I donated a lot of stuff. If it was trash, I threw it away. Things I just didn't need, I went ahead and let go of to create more space in my room for things I did need, because I was really trying to like keep too much stuff. So I let go of a lot of stuff to make more space for the room. Now, we moved everything out, so we did have the opportunity to be able to lay new flooring in the room, which was a much needed upgrade. We got this cheaper linoleum flooring. It came from Lowe's, and it's really nice. It looks like a gray hardwood. I really love how it looks, and it's so much easier to lay than like hardwood or anything like that. Now, if you guys are sticklers and want it to be fancy, you know, you can do the real thing. But for me, perfect. It's great. All right, so here's what the room looks like after all of the renovations were complete. I'm going to go through and give you guys a complete tour, but I'm going to do like a little panoramic view first. Guys, does this even look like the same room? Like, oh my goodness, this looks 100 times better than it did in the beginning. This is crazy. Just like give you guys all the view here. And the cat saw me open the door, so she ran up on the bed, and I'm not going to make her leave. Yeah, this is so nice. For a total DIY, like total DIY, this is crazy. This is crazy. So I love it so much. So let me go through and give you guys a complete tour. So starting with the closet, I wanted something that felt like a real closet. I wanted it to be enclosed. Like I wouldn't have to be staring at my clothes all the time. I don't like those like random little closet things you can get at the store. They're not big enough, and they're kind of like, I don't know, they're just kind of flimsy. And so I wanted something that was more like a real closet. So what we ended up doing, total DIY here, is that we got these 2 room dividers. You can get these anywhere they sell room dividers. We got these at Hobby Lobby. I like the black and white. It just kind of goes with like the theme of the room, black, white, gray. And so that way it kind of encloses it off. But when I go in to get in my closet, all you got to do is open up the dividers. Voila. And there you go. So I have these two clothes like rack things from Walmart. And they were like under $20 a piece, and they hold so many clothes. So I have like dressy clothes over here and like hoodies and stuff over here. I have a lot of clothes, guys, so I needed something to accommodate that. I love this so much. And then I keep over here in these drawer organizers. I stack them on top of each other, and that works out really good. And then I wanted space to have laundry hampers so that way I could like divide my clothes out and just easily take it to the laundry room. And so this is big enough that I actually have two hampers right here side by side. And you would think like it's hard to get to my clothes, but it's really not. Like I can stand right here, I can look through my clothes in my closet, pull out whatever I'm wanting, but then I have these hampers right here. I can just like put my clothes in them, and that is so nice. And I don't have to be like seeing my laundry and things all the time. All I have to do is close the gate. Voila, that's it. That is like so cool. I love that so much. So then that brings us over here to this area of the room, and I love this wallpaper so much. This is peel and stick wallpaper from Lowe's. This is really nice wallpaper. It was pretty inexpensive. You did need a few rolls of it. So I mean, it's a little bit of an investment, but it wasn't too bad. And it makes the wall look so much better. This has actually been kind of beat up over the years because we used to have a mounted here, and it just was not very good. So we ended up unmounting that, and then we wallpapered over that with this gray wallpaper. And it's really nice. I love it. Then over here is like a little seating area, slash reading area, things like that. I have this cart that I actually keep books and things on. So I have like my old journals here. So I want to go through, sit down memory lane and read my old journals, which I love to do that actually. I can just do it. And down here I have like other books and things like that, Bibles. So I love that. This is just a rolling cart. Almost everybody sells these rolling carts now. So like everybody's starting to sell these. So those carts are really nice. Here I have this nice little like stand. This actually was reclaimed from my mom. She didn't need it anymore, so I ended up taking it. I just put like some fun little decor on it, and this is a really good filming space. So if I want to like film a couponing video or a chat video, here you go. It's set up perfectly. I do have an office space upstairs, but you know, I could have a space down here to film as well, because this is pretty quiet during the day, so it works out good sometimes to film down here. So I love this. And I have this chair that came from Big Lots a long time ago, a couple of years ago. It was one of like the first big things I ever bought when I started like having a job and income, and I love it. It's really nice. I got a trash can right there, and then I have this ottoman. It's black, and the only thing I hate about that is the fact that it attracts lint and things like that. So I'd like to get a cover for the ottoman eventually, but it works. And I have this big lamp from Walmart, and that's good for room lighting for videos and things like that. Then here I actually have a shared end table so it's close enough to the chair. I can sit drinks there, whatever, my computer, whatever. But it also is close enough to my bed. It's like right in between. So it's a bedside table. So I have like TV remote, my medication for the morning, my iHome to charge my phone, things like that. And this actually came from Big Lots. It has charging ports in the end table. So that's really nice. I am somebody who needs a fan or an air purifier, something for the noise. So I have that. Then the flooring. This flooring is amazing. Now this room in the basement, this did have linoleum already in it. It just was a different color. It was like a wood kind of color. And I wanted something just to match the room more, which is the gray and the black and stuff like that. And this flooring made a world of difference. A world of difference just in the overall vibe of the room. Just makes it look so much fresher and just nicer. I love it. Same with these curtains. They just look so much better now that they're gray and just go along with the overall flow of the room better. I love it. Then over here is actually a baby changing table, which is a little weird, but it was such a good deal. And it works. Like, it works so well for what I need. It's amazing. It was only like $9.99, and the storage in this is insane. So on the part where you would change the baby, I keep the TV. Down here, I love this for all the storage. Like, this part of it is perfect. This is like real wood. It's so nice. Here, I keep all of my like summer and spring shirts. So once winter and fall are over, I will go ahead and put the winter fall clothes in here and bring out the summer ones again. So lots of storage space for that. And then in here, I just have like pants, more clothes, so many clothes, so many clothes. So let me go over here and show you guys. There's the cat again. Let me go over here and show you guys this. So I actually have this picture from Hobby Lobby. It's really nice, just like perfect. I have that, and then obviously I have my bed here. I gotta have that. It's a bedroom. I'm somebody who has to have a queen size bed no matter what. I could never go back to a twin size bed again. I am 6 foot. I just like a big bed, so I got a queen size bed. what you're gonna do. And then over here, I have like this montage of like inspirational plaques and things like that, Bible verses. I really like that because, you know what, when I'm laying in bed or whatever, or if I've had a bad day, I can just like look up and see all this inspiration, which I just think is really, really, really nice. So I love that. So guys, this is my updated room tour. Isn't it amazing? It is amazing. I love it. I can't get over how this used to look and how this looks now. Like, it's so nice. And the cat. You wanna say goodbye, Gracie? Yeah. Okay, but it's really, really nice. I love my new room, and I'm so, so excited to be able to, like, enjoy this, relax, hang out, all the things. It's amazing. So, guys, that's all I got, and thank you so, so much for watching.